The 2015 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, bucket seats, MP3 player, CD player, child safety locks, passenger airbag, brake assist, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.